Within days, you may not find the cough suppressant you're looking for, and that's good, according to medicos.
It is always good for the approval body of government to err on the side of caution.
The College of Anaesthetists is delighted that the TGA has taken this regulatory action.
Subject to a recall are 44 products currently stocked in Australian pharmacies. They all contain Folcadine. It's linked to an increased risk of anaphylactic reactions to some medicines used in general anaesthesia, up to 12 months after being ingested.
The theory is that the exposure to Folcadine can stimulate the formation of antibodies which cross-react with the drugs that are used to paralyse muscles during major surgery.
It's a rare risk, but potentially fatal. In the past year, 50 surgical patients had reactions blamed on Folcadine and one person died. 11 years ago, Narelle Bolton had such a reaction on the operating table and died for 90 seconds.
They brought me back, and in the process they broke 4 ribs doing that. You know, I'm lucky to be here, I really am.
Today, she's told the ABC she's thrilled with the ban. The issue highlights the importance for people heading into surgery to think of everything they've been taking when disclosing their medical history.
What we need to be explicit about as pharmacists, as anaesthetists, is saying what are the prescription and non-prescription medications are you on?
People can take their Folcadine products to pharmacies for disposal. Mary Gearan, ABC News.